Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, wash your hands thoroughly and remove any contact lenses to avoid worsening the issue. Once done, gather sterile saline or clean water, a bowl, a soft cloth, and a mirror. Good lighting matters. Lean over the bowl or sit and recline slightly so your head is steady. This prevents splashes and lets you access the affected eye. Make sure to keep the other eye closed and breathe slowly. You're aiming for controlled, calm movements to avoid reflex rubbing. You'll now flush the eye. Hold the eyelids open gently and direct a steady, gentle stream of saline or clean water from the inner corner toward the outer corner for 1 to 2 minutes. Blink frequently while irrigating. This helps dislodge particles. Once irrigated, inspect with the mirror without pressing on the eye. Look for visible debris on the eyelid margin. If you see something stuck, do not probe with tools. Instead, try more irrigation or seek professional removal, because probing risks corneal damage. Finish by gently patting the area dry and applying a cool compress for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce irritation. You can use lubricating eye drops every 2 to 4 hours to soothe the surface. Make sure they are preservative-free if using often. Avoid rubbing and do not reinsert contacts until fully cleared or replaced. If you have worsening pain, decreased vision, persistent foreign body sensation, or heavy discharge, seek medical care promptly. Those signs mean professional treatment is needed. Troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.